Hi everyone, I'm here to do some Heggerty exercises with you. Let's get started with blending. I'll say each sound, you repeat the sounds, and then we'll blend the word together. K, b. Cub, t, g. Tug, h, id. Hid, f, n. Fan, p, pup, sob, sob, d, ip, dip, k, at, cat, b, z, buzz. Good. All right, time to roller coaster words. Whoops. The first word is dug. D, g. Ran, r, a, n. Nut, n, t. Big, b, ig. Top, t, op. Fun, f, n. Man, m, a, n. Fin, f, I, n. Cot, k, a, t. And the last one is hug. G. Good. All right, now we're going to segment phonemes. So I'll say a word, you repeat the word, and then we're going to chop it into 3 separate phonemes. Bat, b, at. Fin, f, I, n. Job, j, a, b. Tug, t, g. Hut, t. Fuss, s. Buzz, b, z. Good. All right, now we're going to get ready to substitute phonemes. So get your fists ready. I'll say a word, you repeat the word, then we're going to change the beginning sound to make a new word. The word is jug. Change j to b. Bug. The word is rock. Change r to s. Sock. The word is gut. Change g to n. Nut. The word is big. Change b to p. Pig. The word is sun. Change s to f. Fun. Good. Now we're going to add phonemes. So we'll start with the ending part, the rhyme of the word, and we're going to add a beginning sound or the onset to make a new word. The word is ob. Add j to the beginning. Job. The word is add h to the beginning. Hum. The word is ip. Add z to the beginning. Zip. The word is an. Add to the beginning. Man. The word is ag. Add s to the beginning. Sag. Good. Last exercise. We're going to delete phonemes. So I'll say a word and then we're going to remove the beginning sound to see what we're left with. The word is him without h. The word is im. The word is tub without t. The word is ub. The word is dot without d. The word is ought. The word is rat without r. The word is at. The word is cup without k. The word is up. Good job. Nice work on your exercises today.